spleen still awake. You know, I can almost smell the blood washing against the shores. This land that can't forget its past. Oh, the wind that carries this plane is the wind of change. Heaven sent and hell bent. Over the mountaintops we go, just like all the other G.I. Joes. E-I-E-I. Adios.
This is your captain calling. We're about to go on the radio. Our altitude is falling, and I can't hold it up. There's no time for thinking. All hands on deck. This bird is sinking.
Across the beaches and cranes, rivers and trains, all the money I've made, bodies I've maimed. Time was when I seemed to know, just like any other G.I. Joe. Should I cry like a baby, die like a man? Well, all the planets in a war start joining hands. Oh, what heaven, what hell? You know there's nothing can be done in this whole wide world. I don't know what's wrong or right. I'm just a regular guy with bottled up insides. I ain't ever been to church or believed in Jesus Christ, but I'm praying that God's with you when you die.
This is your captain calling. We're about to go on the radio. Our altitude is falling, and I can't hold it up. There's no time for thinking. All hands on deck. This bird is sinking.
No one knows what tomorrow holds, but if you try hard enough, you can reach your goal. I want to help the children and feed the poor. I'm a symbol of peace in a time of war. And for those of you who still don't know, I'm a soldier, and I was proud to go.